guys, what's going on? Eddie Sue from Siege Finance back at you again. So today we're going to be talking about the top stocks for January 11th to 15th, the upcoming week. This is the second week of 2021. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content so far from Siege Finance, and make sure you guys check out Tactical Investing after this video. He's got great content on both investing and trading. So let's dive on in. Right now we have seen a increase in the S&P 500 from 3760 to 3820. So right now we are reaching all-time highs, and JP Morgan is predicting a high of 4,520 by the end of 2021. But there is some looming fear or hesitation from some investors for a crash due to rising debt and troublesome economic circumstances. Right now, with the Biden presidency, he is going to be bringing in more taxes, and there has been an increase in the yield on the 10-year Treasury note. So both of these will lower bullish tendencies in the market. The Nasdaq has had a slight increase from 12,950 to 13,200. The stocks are going to see the effects of the trillions of dollars stimulus package brought forward in the continuing months from now. The Bitcoin price has also risen substantially over the week from 32,000 to about 41,000 American. So we're just going to go over a review of the stock picks I had last week. Right now, Walmart is having early signs of a recovery from a dip, and the upside of $146 to about $154 with approximate risk of $3 from the last bottom. So there is about a reward to risk of 2 to 1, and there may be a possible trade for right now and into the late January of 2 to 3 weeks. I would say that this may be more market dependent as well, but this may be a great addition to your portfolio in the long term. I would say that $146 right now is a favorable position to enter. The next one is VST, Vistra Corp, and I would say that the stock is still well undervalued with a 1-year price target of about $30, so a approximate 50% ROI is expected over the year. There was a substantial increase from $19 to $21 over the week, so just over 20% increase. Oh no, sorry, just over a 10% increase in 1 week. I feel that you may want to let it cool down a bit before you enter a position, hopefully closer to a $20 position, and then I feel that this will provide great value to a portfolio over the several months. This may not be the ideal pick for a quick swing trade within 1 to 2 weeks, but this one may be greater for the bit better for the investors out there. Our next one is Unum Group. So right now, I feel that it is still very cheap, but it is receiving an overall buy rating, and it may be a bit too late to take advantage of the run. There was a marginal increase over the week of a few dollars, and it might be starting to cool off if it is not able to break through that $24 high previously in December. Our first stock for this week will be Telus, TU. So there is a strong belief that the telecom industry will begin a strong recovery. There will be vaccine distributions and borders reopening for Canada. So everyone, as you know, is eager to travel, and with hopes of 5G nearing, there is a large base of customers all over Canada that are using Telus with several services, and Telus provides a strong dividend of 4.94% and has continually growing revenue while costs have stayed relatively the same. Costs have actually decreased a bit over from the last year, and currently I do have a position in Telus, but I bought in several months ago before I started this channel, and it has provided me with substantial returns, and hopefully you guys feel the same way about this stock. Our next stock is going to be DKNG, DraftKings. So right now it is currently at $52 with a 1-year target of $60. The last 52-week high was of $64. So there is about a $12, there's about an $8 to $12 upside, with a recent low of $4. So there is a risk, or there's a reward to risk of about anywhere from 2 to 3. So I feel that that may be a favorable position to add to your portfolio. There was a recent announcement of drone racing betting, and there is a current buy rating from analysts. There is a large upside of approximately 10%, and there is continuing support in sports betting over the states. So this week in my portfolio, I made 2 trades. I entered and exited Li Auto over the week for a small profit. I made a previous video on this that you can check out on the Siege Finance channel. I believe that Li Auto had a fair bit of momentum, and I was able to make a small profit off of the price fluctuations. I feel that I am bullish on the EV sector, and I feel that the EV sector has great potential to continue to build a market and raise the stock prices. My second one was Jumia. They are referring to this one as the African Amazon. So this may be the next Amazon stock that you might be able to enter. I entered a small position at about 37 to 80 cents, and I've yet to take my position out. Right now I'm in the red, I believe by 2%. So unfortunately, I entered at an unfavorable position. I thought that there was going to have a recovery from a recent dip, but it continued to push down a bit lower, and hopefully over the week it will continue to push. It will continue to begin to recover and rise a bit over the $40 to $45 mark. So some resources that I would recommend are books. There's lots of books out there that you can find, and some great ones are Intelligent Investor, Think and Grow Rich, and Rich Dad Poor Dad. So this will help with both investing and personal finance. And then there's lots of YouTube. So again, check out Tactical Investing. I'll leave a link down below, and check out the rest of Siege Finance with my partner Sam. And then I will leave in the description below all the articles from the Yahoo Financial and the other sources that I used to build this research for today. So right now, some hot industries are the Canadian telecom stocks, so Telus and Bell Canada Enterprises. And then there's also some push from video game industries, so Sony, Microsoft, and EA. And then EV, we have Tesla, XPEV, Lee, and NIO. Another one may be the drone industry, but I understand that is a very small market, so I've yet to include that in here. I feel that you guys may want to wait for some more development. As well, there is some Bitcoin derivative stocks that you may check out in the market. So this part is just a jumping point for you guys to search out the different industries in the market right now that you may enjoy researching and may want to invest in. So just a quick wrap up. There is expanding telecom with the vaccine coming up. Sports betting is continuing to grow. Crypto is continuing to rise, especially with Ethereum as well. I know I don't talk about that too much, but I have a small position in Ethereum as well, and Bitcoin. And then there is the Biden presidency that you guys should probably stay up to date with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for sticking through the whole video right now, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some feedback. Reach out to me at EdisonSue_ on Instagram.